the magic paintbrush. Hello, little friends. Welcome back to another magical adventure. Today, Mom and I found something very special. Look, it's a magical paintbrush. This isn't an ordinary paintbrush. Whatever we paint comes to life. Are you ready? Let's start painting. First, let's paint a big, shiny red apple. 1 brush stroke, 2 brush strokes, 3 brush strokes. Wow! The apple has come to life. It jumps right off the paper. How amazing!
Let's paint a shiny red apple.
Wow, Mommy, it's so pretty!
Oh, it's popping out!
Yeah.
Now let's paint a beautiful butterfly. Let's make colorful wings. Pink, blue, yellow, purple. Ready? Magic! The butterfly flutters into the air. It flies all around us, leaving sparkling fairy dust. How beautiful!
Let's make it a butterfly.
Yes, a magical one! It's flying!
So beautiful!
Next, let's paint a cute little puppy. It has floppy ears, a wagging tail, and a happy smile. Let's finish the last brush stroke. Wow! The puppy comes alive. It runs around happily and wags its tail. Who's a good puppy?
Let's paint a cute puppy.
Wow, it's jumping out!
It's real!
Look!
Now it's time to paint something magical. Let's paint a beautiful rainbow. Let's say the colors together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Look! The rainbow rises into the sky. The whole world becomes bright and colorful. How wonderful!
Let's make it rise, sweetie.
It's working, Mommy!
Look at the colors!
So beautiful!
What should we paint next? Let's paint a beautiful fairy tale castle. Tall towers, golden flags, big windows, a magical door. One last brush stroke. Wow, the castle grows bigger and bigger. Now it's real. Can you imagine living inside this magical castle?
Let's paint a beautiful fairy tale castle.
With pink towers and golden flags! Wow, it's growing! It's real!
Today, our magic paintbrush created so many wonderful surprises. A shiny red apple, a colorful butterfly, a playful puppy, a beautiful rainbow, and a magical castle. What should Mom and I paint next? Maybe a dinosaur, a unicorn, a rocket, or a friendly dragon. Tell us your favorite. Thank you for painting with us today. We'll see you in our next magical adventure. Goodbye, little friends.